Okay, now coming on to our task number 2, that was related to the net and dynamic net configuration. Okay, so what is basically net? Net is firstly network address translation. That is basically the mapping of private IP addresses to public ones. That is the internet. Now coming on to the task, what we had to do, we had to perform static net on router number 0 and dynamic net on router number 1. Then we had to send mail from PC number 1 to PC number 2, and we had to hit the website from PC number 0. Okay, so now coming on to the Cisco packet tracer, and I had already completed the topology and the setup and have maintained a document for it. The first thing we did after setting up the topology was to do the IP configuration. To do the IP configurations on the router 0 and router number 1. Firstly, this is the basic command that we used to do. Fa. Wait. Here you can see FA00. FA00 is our internal connection that has an IP address of 192.168.10, and so we have assigned the router with the configuration of IP address of 192.168.10.1. Then this configuration is done simply. After that हमने outside network की configuration दी है, that is on the FA10 की interface. It has been assigned a public IP address of 5. It had to be according to our roll number. So my roll number is 0594. So according to that, I had assigned it 5.94.1.1. After that, similarly, it has configuration has been assigned to router number 1. And after that, what we have done is we have assigned IP addresses to the PCs in the network. मेल सर्वर को हमने configuration assign की, DNS server का इसको address दिया, so that we'll be able to easily send mails via the domain name. Okay. DNS server का setup किया हमने default gateway जो इस router number 1 का था, since हमारा DNS plus web server इधर है, तो हमने router number 1 की जो configuration थी ना, उसका हमने default gateway assign किया. Then we had to send mail, so for that we entered the record in the DNS server, assigned the IP address of the mail server इसमें. Then what we did was, since the mapping since mail जो है हमें एक प्राइवेट आईपी को पब्लिक आईपी से भेजनी थी, so we also assigned it an IP address of 5.94.10, and web.com has been set up for the web browser वाली part. We in the mail server we entered the emails, respective emails जो हमें transaction जिसके बीच में दिखानी थी emails की, as we have previously done that too. Now the part comes on of net configuration. So basically static net हमने assign करना था router number 0 पे. What is static net and what is dynamic net? Static net is basically 1-to-1 mapping वाला net, जिसमें हम एक internal IP address को एक public IP address से assign कर रहे होते हैं, basically map कर रहे होते हैं, and that is permanent. Secondly, dynamic IP address में क्या होता है, we create a pool for it, and the commands has been shown कि IP NAT inside source static, that is कि हमने 192.168.10.4 जो हमारा मेल सर्वर था वो हमने आउटसाइड से उसका कनेक्शन बिल्ड किया है, as you can see. Then for that हमने मैपिंग कर दी, assigned IP route that we created the since दो router है इसमें, तो हमें next hop भी create करना था, pathway define करना था, we have done that. Okay, so we also told कि IP NAT inside मतलब कि internal कौन सा network है and out external कौन सा network है. Similarly, for router number 1 we created a pool and access list create key, so that we can easily dynamically assign the IPs, starting and ending IPs that were between 5.94.1.100 to 5.94.1.110 के बीच में थी. Since we do not have many PCs या many servers जिनको हमें डायनामिकली असाइन करनी थी IPs, तो हमने 10 का ही पूल क्रिएट किया. Then we had to verify कि हमने असाइन कर दिया है कि नहीं. नेट को तो हमने चेकअप किया थ्रू IP नेट ट्रांसलेशंस, तो ये ट्रांसलेट कर रहा था. तो ये ट्रांसलेशन 1-to-1 मैपिंग हमारी शो कर रही है. दैट मीन्स हमने सक्सेसफुली नेट को इम्प्लीमेंट कर दिया, राइट. देन व्हाट वी डिड वाज पिंग से टेस्ट किया हमने अपनी कमांड्स को कि is our PC able to reach our routers so that we can transaction of mails easily हो सकती है कि नहीं. टोपोलॉजी का सेटअप दिखाया हुआ है. एंड देन वी सिंपली सेंट मेल्स. मूविंग ऑन. अच्छा, इसमें हमने ये किया था, हमने PC नंबर 1 में ना जो इनकमिंग और आउटगोइंग मेल सर्वर असाइन किया था वो इंटरनल IP एड्रेस उसका असाइन किया था. लेकिन हमने जो PC 2 को इनकमिंग और आउटगोइंग असाइन किया था जो कि बाहर वाले नेटवर्क में है, वो हमने 5.94.1.0 असाइन किया था, क्योंकि दैट इज़ टू बी मैप्ड टू आउटसाइड सर्वर, यानी एक्सटर्नल सर्वर से हमें मैप करना था एक्सटर्नल नेटवर्क कनेक्शन से. Hence it has been successfully sent and we can see the message too. Then we had to hit the website from PC0 and it has also been done successfully. This was it for lab number 8.